Bahay na single attached na malilipatan na within this year ba ang hanap mo? Tara at samahan nyo ako ating silipin ang single attached here in Next Asia San Pablo. This model unit with 3 bedrooms, 5 meters lot frontage here. Yan, kasama na po ang inyong carport. You also have spacious living and dining area in this part kung saan mas mai-enjoy ito ng iyong family. Meron na rin po siyang kasamang toilet and bath dito sa inyong ground floor. Lahat ng accessories, naka-tiles na po yan upon turnover ng inyong mga unit. At the back of your house, you have 2 meters expansion for your laundry and kitchen area. So malaki pa po itong part na to for expansion paglipat nyo ng inyong bahay. And sa second floor naman po, meron tayong provision for your 3 bedrooms. So malalaki pa rin po ito, and this one is fit for your kids. And pwede po kayong maglagay ng extra space for your office kung kayo po ay mga work from home. So kaya yan, what are you waiting for? Mag-book na po kayo ng appointment para makita po yung aming model unit here in San Pablo. You can book your appointment via virtual tripping, via Zoom, WhatsApp, or Messenger. And you can also book your appointment ng face-to-face po. For more details, you can message me on my WhatsApp, Viber, Smart, 0908-603-1838. For my Facebook, it's Jinky Pulyacosico, and you can visit my YouTube channel. It's Murang Bahay at Lupa sa Pinas by Ate Jinky. Thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye.